everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to do a lemon eating competition with my siblings, and the rules will be you cannot do any expressions while eating, and whoever eats the fastest, whoever finish first will be the winner, and the loser will have to buy chicken. Okay. So let's start the competition. So let's cut this into pieces and we'll share the parts and we'll eat.
Without expression.
Without expression. So how many pieces should I cut this? You can...
Four.
I'll cut this into four pieces. No, 3 pieces. 3 pieces.
4 pieces.
Three pieces measurement
Okay.
Whether it is 4 piece or
Okay.
2 piece. Yeah, 4 pieces.
So I saw this video from one of my friends. He did this video and I thought I'll also do it. It was quite interesting. So wait, it's already 8.
Fine, no problem.
8 pieces, okay.
How many lemons should we eat?
1 is enough.
No, let's eat bigger
1 each na.
1 each. Can you finish it?
I don't think so.
1 share.
Okay, yeah.
Right size and
Matam badil lete. That is better. Let's eat one each.
Yeah.
Someone is already giving up. Okay, one more thing. Whoever wins can give punishment to the people who lose. I have already decided what punishment I should give you, so you guys can
I
decide
think
now.
we can divide this into 3. Yeah.
Okay, 2.
So remaining you just put
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For you it's 6.
No, it's not like that.
Okay.
5 pieces.
5 piece. So we all will eat this. Let's set a timer. And then we'll see whoever finishes first will press the timer. So this is the share that we have divided 5 piece each. So whoever lose will have to buy chicken for dinner. So 2 person will lose, so you can share the money and you can buy. I'm sure I will not lose. Shall we start? Wait, let's set the timer to make us more stopwatch. Stopwatch. So let's start it.
Wait.
Yes, screen se right. Whoever finish first will stop the stopwatch, and we'll see who wins. Have you all decided the punishment?
Punishment?
Yes. I've already decided.
So you eat first then.
No, it's not like that. We all have to eat together. Okay. So shall we start? This is your part. Don't steal my part.
Yeah?
Don't keep in someone else's part. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Năm mới lời cho nên lắm. She's lying. Come on.
Open your mouth.
Come here, come here. That's a cheater. She's such a cheater. Open your mouth. Face the camera and open your mouth. Face the camera. Quick, face the camera and open your mouth.
Oh, really?
She didn't even swallow. She didn't even swallow a single piece. Such a liar, such a cheater. Oh my god. Yeah. I can't swallow. kayang 눌러 siya. Oh my god, I don't even feel. At least I put it inside my mouth. You didn't even put it inside your mouth. Okay. So, you're the loser. Alright.
So who is the loser?
Oh my god, I set myself into a trap. So decide what's your punishment.
As of now, a glass of water.
Ngayon yung mango. I have to drink. Relax, start.
Here is the punishment.
Oh my god.
Drink this water.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let's not share the punishment. So whoever finished this first wins again. So whoever loses then will have to buy the chicken dinner. Alright. Agreed?
Okay.
So we have decided that whoever finished first is the winner again. And whoever is the loser will buy the chicken dinner.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. Start.
Cheers. Cheers. What does that?
Wow, great.
Yeah!
Your cup was not full, no? It's okay.
Oh my god! It's good.
Mine was full.
Even though it's this much, see how much is left. It was full. I checked it before.
So this is
It
the
was-
loser.
Miss Loser! Look at this. She didn't even eat a single piece. Look. So this is the chicken dinner we got from my sister as a punishment. And we are going to enjoy it. Bye bye.